We got some hang gliders up there. It's a big hang gliding place. We're going to catch the gondola up to the top of the mountain. There's a couple guys up there coming in for a landing over there, I guess. There's a bunch of backpackers there. We're going to be heading up, and we're heading up there. You can see the gondola is going up to the top, and a number of hang gliders way up there catching the thermal, so they're staying up there pretty high. That's where we're headed. Okay. Well, it's a rather long queue. It goes all the way down there and serpentines around, and then goes over there for the gondola going up to the top. And there's still people over there that are waiting to go up to the top here. So it's pretty busy today. So here's our gondola coming back right up there. Coming back in here. It says it holds 40 people in there. So it's going to be quite a bit. We got a lot of people waiting here, as you can see on both sides. So here we're going to head way up to the top. There. Okay. Now we're starting out on the gondola. The gondola is pretty full, as you can see. There's a lot of people in it here. There's in here too. Well, we got the hang glider guys here waiting for a couple of them to take off, but appears nobody's ready yet, so okay. There's one that took off right there. There she goes. A little bit chilly up here, but not too bad. There's a bunch of them. There's even a guy in a fixed wing or something up there too. A little bit different. Looks like it has a motor on it, maybe. I don't know. A bigger one, a different one up there. There's a tandem one going here. Two of them. There they go. They're off. They made it. Another one is going right here.
Many of them are going now.
Another tandem one. There you go. And this one here looks like we got a little kitty here that may be going up too. On the tandem one. There's another one over here then. They're getting ready.
It's not ready yet, but to see it right now.
Been going downhill most of the way.
The weather are getting hotter
and looks like the trail is going to go around here more downhill. But then we got to go back uphill quite a bit to get to the place where we're going. So getting warmer as we're going down. Now I'm getting warm. Going up I'll be warm. So put them on, take them off. If you listen, you might be able to hear the cowbells and shadows of the hang glider guys right above us here. And let me get out of the way. So you can see all the shadows that are crisscrossing us. Okay. Coming up on the cave over there.
So nice to
here's
see
our view from out here. Here we go. There's the hang glider guys up there. All right. Now coming down this cave. And it looks like we're going to go inside here. I see people coming out, so there must be a way in and a way out. So there's what it looks like from outside. So we're getting ready to head inside to the cave here. Okay, I'll bring it on the bright side so you can see me. There, that's a little bit better now. Okay, we're going in the cave. All right. We're in a cave and it's very dark, so you're not going to be able to see anything. So I had to turn my phone on because I packed my flashlight. Okay, coming out of the cave here. Watch my head. All right, we made it out on the other side here.
Cave steel is still used to keep certain type of foods. For example, there The inn keeps cheeses, beers,
Oh.
ham. Yeah. Why to waste electricity with fridges when you have cave?
Sure. This is what I saw in the video, I think, where people walk through here.
Yeah, after
Yeah.
the prehistoric man, the monks arrived here.
Yeah.
So first they used to live in
We're
the
not
cave,
far
and
now.
then they built- So,
And we went around rather than stay on that path there. But a little hut there, right underneath the mountain. We just came out of the cave right over there.
no, but they had to
So,
live there
but
too long.
here's the valley here. And come here, we'll have a look. Way down here. So we're heading off to lunch. I'm a little hungry. I think that's where we parked, way down there. So there's the gondola going down. And we're going to head over there. Here's the chapel built into the rocks. As you can see,
It was like a pilgrim stop for people to rest. They would come here
it's right in here.
and worship while crossing the mountain.
I forgot there is a bell up there and a crucifix up there too. All right, our trail goes down here, and once we get around here, it's the rocks kind of lean out a little bit. Gotta watch my head, and we're almost there. Most of it was downhill too. That's good. While we're in this little thing here, I gotta duck my head and look out the window here. Here's the view. And I gotta duck my head here.
You can just walk through so I forget his hair.
And I gotta watch when I'm going by the side here because the rocks are very close here, so I have to watch my head here. Okay, we have arrived at our destination here. Gasthaus Aescher Inn or something, where we're going to have lunch. Very nice, temperature's good, no wind, little water dripping here. Actually quite warm now. So where we had lunch, a lot of people outside here too, which is a good view here. Gotta watch the umbrellas. But yeah, I tried the little Appenzeller and had that outside. There we go. We're going to start a little tougher hike. We said 400 feet incline going up. So I'm just down to a t-shirt now. It's a little cool, but that's okay.
So if you want to have a look inside,
You can go inside, of course. You come inside.
I'll be here in a couple of minutes.
And then if you have money, you can buy it in shoppings, anything.
A little shop here. All kinds of stuff. Ooh, look at those. Those look really good there. They look good. I don't know, but they
Yeah,
look
it's
good.
tasty. It's sweet. Nussgipfel. It's called in German.
We got sausages. Oh, these look
Go in
good.
your body.
Ooh, feeling heat coming up off of that.
Not feet, it's meat.
The goats here, up close and personal with the electrified fence. Here they are, looking out over the valley. Probably electrified fence, like I said. But they're all here tuned up. Hey, buddy, psst, 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 psst. You're going the wrong way. You're showing me your wrong end here. But they're munching away. Not too sure. There we go. Over the valley. And where we're going is up that trail right up there. So it's going to be a kind of a very steep incline there. Steep, steep, steep. I don't know if I'll make it. We'll see. Well, this must be the goat hangout on the side here. They're all just hanging out. You can hear a small one bleating down there. But they all got, well, not all of them. Some of them have bells. This guy over here doesn't have a bell. Maybe he's not old enough yet. He's settling down for a little napo, maybe. There's some black ones over there too. but I like this spot. I guess it's a warm spot. Nice and sunny and flat, so they're not slanting on the hill here as we go out here. But Andrea's up checking the trail for us to see if it's going to be wet. But that's going to be it on the right. He's coming back. I see him up there on the trail. So looks like the steepest part is the first part. Well, I made it up the first very steep part. This part's not quite as steep. It's a little flatter, so doing a little bit better here. Well, I guess if I fell here, I could just try grabbing grass on the way down, but it's pretty steep. I don't think it would stop me. I'd wind up, the trees would probably stop me down at the bottom. Okay, gotta move on. Yeah, so once we came, and we're going up here, and it's very steep. Very, very steep and rocky up there too. Okay, doing my best. Okay, after that grueling hike, they said it was 400 feet elevation, but it was up. It was like I was climbing. I wasn't hiking. I was on a climb. It was like steps were gigantic. But I think I'm at the top. They said it's downhill afterwards, but never believe them because they lie all the time. They say it's not steep. It's steep. It's not long. It's long. But I'm up here. Yeah, I'm going to have to take a little rest here, unfortunately. But I think I deserve a little rest here, so nothing wrong with that. But there's the outside. Okay. Okay, we're not going to do that up. We're going to go around here. So, thank goodness. Oh, I feel a lot better now. Downhill is going to be sweet. Going downhill, yeah.
Nice and cool up here.
Yeah, nice and cool. See the whole countryside up here. Yeah, nice little breeze here. You know, whatever. And a little panorama there. Okay, heading back to the gondola. Nicer path, no rocks. No gigantic steep steps that are like 50 feet high or something you have to step up on, whatever. So I'm back to picking them up, putting them down as usual here.